throughout on YouTube, there are several videos sharing with you all maintenance vlogs of, you know, everyone showing how they maintain their bodies for a healthier way of living, or after they may have had their surgeries done, and they usually do about $5,000 or $10,000 of maintenance. Yeah, well, in this video, I'm here to share with you all that you don't gotta break your bank just to have your maintenance done, especially during the pandemic. That same $5,000 or $10,000, you can invest it in the equipment that's necessary for you to continue to have your maintenance care, okay? Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to another episode of These Are a Few of My Favorite Things. Now, if you're a newbie passing through and you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm all for being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications. Therefore, you will never miss an upload. But if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed Glam Doll, you are in for a treat. Because instead of me sharing with you all just a few of my favorite things, I'd rather share with you all my favorite place, my home spa. Yes, hence the spa table in the background, okay? I'm gonna give you a full-on out tour of everything that I have been using to maintain this body and face, okay? So without further, oh wait, before, because I know I'm gonna forget, before I share with you all the spa tour, I first at least wanna, you know, share with you this skincare system that I have been using a lot lately, okay? It is by MzGlamourAddict, which is in this box right here. It is a micro needling skincare system, okay? It helps you out if you have puffiness under your eyes, if you have acne problems, if you got fine lines or wrinkles, okay? And if, like I said, you're an official Glam Doll, which means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, you already know anything that is anti-aging, promising to turn back the hands of time, you know Glam fingertips be all over it. But I'm going to get into this a little bit later because now I want to share with you all the tour. Okay, dolls, so to set the mood, I always turn the fireplace on, the TV. You hear the crackling sounds going. And speaking of sounds, here is the Homepod System. Yes, I like using this to play some spa type music. So we're gonna say, hey Siri, play spa music.
Now playing meditation.
So now that that's going to really set the mood, in addition to the fireplace that's going, you know, play a little bit of spa relaxing music. And in addition to that, we have the Aromatherapy Reed diffuser right here. You know, get the scent going, you know, help out with that. Another thing that I use in this room that is really a fave of mine is my cavitation machine, which is right here. This machine right here, this is a cavitation machine. This is what actually helps to keep my waist snatched, as so many of you often ask, how do I maintain? Because if you're an official Glam Doll, when I say official, you are a subscribed Glam Doll, you know about a little over a year ago, I had my Lipo 360 and BBL fat transfer done. And a lot of you always ask the question, Glam, how do you maintain? Well, this is how I maintain, is with the cavitation machine. I'm going to give you a full-on, in-depth video on exactly how I use this, because the machine is what's used to help melt away stubborn fat in my midriff area and helps to keep my waist snatched, okay? So in addition to that machine, here's another machine that I want to share with you all. Down here, that is for your face, I use this because I also had my chin and neck lipo done, so this helps me to maintain the perfect jawline. And this down here is the booty plump. I call it the booty plumper, but it's a vacuum therapy machine. It comes with some other attachments that you attach them onto either your breasts or your buttocks or your hips, and with the vacuum therapy it helps to expand them and make them look that much more plump and supple. Yes. So next I want to share with you all is my teeth whitening machine. OMG, this is the same one that a lot of you people go to and you pay $300, $400, sometimes $600 for your teeth whitening sessions. I got the machine right here in my own home. So it also came with this right here, which I'm going to share with you all. It helps you to identify just how white you want your teeth to get. With the teeth whitening system, you get to pick what shade of white you want your teeth to be, and you will input the number in the machine, like S18. If I turn that on, you'll put that in there, and you put this part on your mouth, and you'll get your session going to see just how white you can get your natural teeth to be. Yeah, you're gonna see me use this in a separate video also. This is just giving you all the quick tour. Coming around, you know, you gotta have some greenery. That's a faux plant though. This is a heater because in the spa you want your room to be nice and cozy. This here is my little foot med machine. This helps with the circulation in your legs and whatnot. You just put your feet on there. Last thing I want to share with you all is this Max Pro massager. Right here is the Max Pro massager, and this is actually the same machine that most chiropractors use, physical therapists, people use in their offices. When you go in, you get your real deep tissue massage. This machine right here, okay? So I know throughout the course of YouTube, perhaps you've seen a lot of vlogs of individuals sharing their body maintenance routines, and they'll say, oh, you know, they spent $5,000, $10,000 on a body maintenance care. Well, Glam Dolls, I'm here to tell you that same $5,000 or $10,000, you can buy the machinery and you can keep using it over and over and over again. Unless you got the funds to allocate, you repeatedly spending that $5,000, and I suggest you do your own at-home spa and save that money for your investment. So on that note, dolls, I'm now going to pretty much conclude this video because I have to go ahead and use my Diminuage to get my facial done. And maybe in the meantime, I'll get a little bit of deep tissue massage too. So Rev was so kind enough to work the camera for us today. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Now, would you be so kind enough to do my facial and give me a deep tissue massage?
All right, just call me when you're ready.
Wait. The best part of this home spa, I'm gonna show you. Hey, Siri, change the silver room lights purple.
Okay, purple. It is.
See that? Now it's playing the ocean music with the purple lights to set the ambiance with the fireplace. She is happy. I'm in a very spa mood. What do you say, babe?
Okay.
So on that note, dolls, seriously speaking, yeah, this now concludes the video. Because now, oh, matter of fact, no, this is not going to conclude the video. I want to show y'all at least how the deep tissue massage works. So give me just a moment. Okay, dolls. dolls, as you can clearly see. Rub be playing too much sometimes, but that's okay. I'm going to speed this part of the video on up and just share with you all that, as you can see throughout the video, you don't have to break your bank to have your maintenance or self-care needs met. You can easily spend the $5,000 or $10,000 and have these services done at facilities, or you can take that same $5,000 or $10,000 and invest it in the machinery that's needed for you to have these services done repeatedly in the comfort of your own home. Granted, you may need your spouse or significant other's help at times, but for the most part, everything that's relevant will be down in the description box below. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.